Let me share with you how to make the most incredibly simple oil-free fried egg. This method is a true game changer, especially if you have little ones at home who are hesitant to eat eggs. This technique might just change their minds. Begin with a good non-stick pan. Place it over a medium heat on your gas stove and let it get fully hot. There's no need for any oil or butter at all. The pan itself is all you need. For this recipe, we will use 3 large eggs, about 150 grams total. Carefully crack them directly into the center of the hot pan, spacing them evenly apart. This method works perfectly for multiple eggs at once. Pour about 60 milliliters or 4 tablespoons of water around the edges of the eggs. This creates the steam that will cook them gently from all sides, giving us the perfect texture without any oil. Immediately cover the pan with a lid. Reduce the heat to low. This traps the steam inside, which gently cooks the eggs from the top down. This is how we get that beautiful tender texture without any fat. The cooking time is completely up to you. For soft, runny yolks, steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer them fully set, leave them for 4 to 5 minutes. You have total control over the result. Just look at that. The eggs are perfectly cooked, incredibly tender, and not the least bit dry. It's amazing that we achieved this without using a single drop of oil. The steam creates the most beautiful texture. Using a spatula, gently slide all 3 eggs into a serving plate. They cook so evenly and beautifully together, making this method perfect for serving the whole family at once without any extra effort. This method is not only simple but also much healthier. By eliminating oil, we reduce unnecessary calories while achieving even more tender results than traditional frying. It's a win-win for taste and health. This method is so reliable and simple. It's perfect for anyone. It creates eggs that are always tender and never dry. It's a small change that can truly make your mornings better and healthier for the whole family.